Seems like you've been paying attention to your lessons with the Green Ninja. Oh, hey ninjas in training. Glad you could join us. I'm Lloyd, grandson of the first ninjutsu master, son of Garmadon, but you already know all that. Speaking of family, my Uncle Wu was the best teacher. Now it's my calling to follow in his footsteps, training more ninja to help fight evil and protect the dragons. Not to mention all the other cool ninja adventures too. That's why we're here. Welcome to my first ever Elemental Challenge. What? Elemental Challenge! Ninja, that's your cue! Elemental Challenge! Much better! Today, I'll be taking your training to the next level by challenging you in harnessing the powers of 5 elements. It may not be easy, so be sure to follow along and pay close attention to each other. After all, Master Wu always said, ninja sharpens ninja. Well, it looks like you're all ready. So, let's officially kick off this elemental challenge with one of the strongest elements, Earth. Ninja, go! Ninjas in training, now it's your turn to harness the power of Earth. Stand up, take your feet, and stomp them on the ground to each rhythm after us. Here we go! Stomp! Stomp! Stomp, stomp! Stomp, stomp! Stomp, stomp, stomp! Now really fast, let's jump! Wow! Well done, Ninja! I'm impressed. Like Cole, you certainly share some solid skills. Time to move on to the next element. It's the opposite of Earth and high in the sky. The element of lightning. Ninja, go! Another amazing display of elemental skills, Ninja. Hey, I have a different kind of test for you now. Which Ninjago hero is the elemental master of lightning? Shout it out. That's right, it's Jay. Hey, you're sharp like lightning too. Awesome. Let's keep this challenge going then with the third element. Water. Ninjago! Ninjas in training, your focus was spot on. Neo would be proud of your demonstration of water. Now, what element does water freeze into when it gets cold? Shout it out. Ice, that's it. Speaking of ice, I feel a cold front coming in. My tea. It's cool to just the right temperature. Hey, I have an idea. Ninja, you must complete your ice challenge before I finish my tea. Ninja, go! Ninjas in training, did you see how I did that? Place both hands in front of you, circle them forward, and push. Let's try it together. Circle and push. Nice! Back to my team. You beat me! Someday I'll learn what Master Wu's secret was. But for today, no more cold. Let's heat this place up. Hey, my buddy Kai can do that with an element. Which one is it? Shout it out! Fire! You got that right. Everyone, let's start the fire challenge by putting our hands together and rubbing them back and forth. Now, after the count of 3, when I say Ninja Go, throw your warm hands towards the center of the stage. 1, 2, 3, Ninja Go! Ha, that did it! you've all displayed advanced skills in these elements, I have decided to combine all 5 in the ultimate final challenge! Let's see if you have what it takes. Everyone, say it with me. Ninjago! Wow! By combining all of your powers together, you were able to harness the elemental essence of energy. One of the strongest elements, if I do say so myself. Ninja, you have impressed us all and successfully completed my elemental challenge. Congratulations! And with a lot of practice, dedication, and focus, you too can master your powers of Earth. See you again soon. Now, you Ninja deserve a little break.